Oh, hi, Mary. Good morning.
Good morning, John. Are you okay?
Yes, but I just waved at someone in the parking lot.
Oh, who was it?
I don't know. I thought it was you.
It wasn't me. I came in the back door today.
I know that now. The person looked at me and walked away fast.
Oh, no. Did you smile too?
Yes, a big smile, and I said, hey.
John.
They didn't stop. They just looked at me like this. Silence.
That is so awkward.
I wanted to hide behind my car.
Did they wave back at least?
No, nothing. Zero. Just a very cold look.
Next time, wait and check first.
Yes, lesson learned. Never wave first.
Good morning, John.
Good morning, Mary. The real Mary.